Good morning, children. In today's maths class, we will learn lesson number 6. The topic is decimals. So let's see what are decimals. In the previous classes, we have seen it. And now today, we are going to learn about its place value. Okay, so the question here, I'm going to pick from exercise 6.2. The question says, write in place value chart and find the place value of colored digits in each case. So, in front of you, A, B, C, D parts are written, and in that number, you will find colored digits. Here, 3.25. 2 is the colored one. 5.61. 1 is the colored part, and here 12.05. 5 is the colored part, and here similarly 8. So what we have to do, we are going to find out the place value. And children, you are aware that whenever we are going to find out the place value, we must have place value chart in front of us. So here I am going to present my place value chart. The first number says, let's read the place value chart first. Begin with ones, tens, and at the decimal place. After that, you will find tens, T-E-N-T-H-S, means 1 upon 10. And hundreds, it means 1 upon 100. Now thousands, 1 upon 1000. Similarly, 3.25. 3 will be at ones place, 2 will be at tens place, and 5 will be at hundreds place. If you want, you can put 0 over here at the empty places. So no need to write. It will give you the same value, 3.25. So children, over here, which one is the colored part? Yes, 2. You can see here, 2 is blue colored. Why? Because you have to find out the place value of it. So the place value of 2 is 2 tens. You will write 2 is equal to 2 TWO2 dash TENTHS, tens. Next, B part in front of you, 5.61. Similarly, you have to find out the colored digit place value. Here you are having place value chart, tens, ones, decimal, then tens, TENTHS, tens part, hundreds part, thousands. Now children, write down 5 at ones place, 5.61. So you always have to move from right to left. So you will write down 5 at ones place, that is the whole part, 0.61. 6 will be tens and 1 will be at hundreds place. So what is the place value of 1? 1 is equal to 1 hundredths. Next, C part, 1, 2, it means 12. The place value of 1 is 10 and 2 is 2 ones. Decimal, tens, 0. Now hundreds, it is 5. So what is the place value of 5 here? The colored digit, hundreds. 5 is equal to hundreds. Now the last part of this question, D part, 4.608. You will always read like this, 4.608, not 608. That is incorrect. So 608. What is the place value? Let's see. 4 at ones place. Now decimal. 6 at tens, THS place. 0 at hundreds place. And 8 at thousands place. So you will write down the place value of 8 is 8 thousands. Now you will learn about what is equivalent decimals. So let's learn with the help of this example. 0.8 or 8 tenths. What is the place value of 8 here? Tenths. So color 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 10. Out of 10 children, we are going to color 8 parts. That we have colored. Now let's see is equal to, which is showing the equivalent of 0.80. What does 8 means here? Tenths. And 0 at hundreds place. Children, draw 100 table like that, and you have to color 80, which means 80 parts. So you are going to color one strip, it means 10, then 20 you have colored, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and lastly 80. So 80 out of 100 parts you have colored. Now children, if you cross check both, here you have colored 8 and here you have colored 80. So both are equal. That is why it is called equivalent decimal. If you are going to put 0 after it and 0 after it, nothing will change. Okay, it means that both are equal, same. So here anything is greater or less? No. Both are equivalent decimal. Similarly, you may write down 0.3 and you will write down 0.30. Now you will check whether both are equivalent decimal or not. Let's move further and see the comparison, where you will find out which one is more and which one is less. Okay, comparison of decimal. Okay, now you have to focus only on the green part of square. Don't have to see the other colored part. You have to see only 3 parts. So children, first example in front of you, 0.3. 3 is at tens place. So make a box and divide it into 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we can see 10 parts are there. Now out of that you have to color 3 parts. We have colored it with the help of green color. So see, 1, 2, 3. 3 colored parts are there. So it is denoting you 0.3 tenths. Now coming to the next one, 0.03. What do you mean by 3 over here? What is the place value of 3? It's hundreds. So draw 100 squares. Now out of that 100 squares, you are going to color only 3 parts. So if you are going to count, I am not going to count here, but you will count, pause the video and count whether they are 100 parts or not. So after doing that, you are going to color 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then children, out of that thousands part, 1, tens, 100, thousands. You're going to color with the help of green color 1, 2, 3, 3 parts. So 3 tenths is greater than 3 hundredths. 3 tenths is much bigger, isn't it? And this one is smaller and that is too small. So which one is the bigger one? 0.3. This one is the bigger one. Then after this one is 0.03 is the bigger one. Okay, but it is smaller than 0.3. And lastly, this one 0.003. So put sequence first, second and third. So in this way we have got the comparison. We are able to find out which one is the greater one and which one is the less one. So 3 tenths is greater than 3 hundredths and 3 thousandths. And 3 hundredths is greater than 3 thousandths. So here it is very much clear with the help of this representation of diagram what are the colored parts and which one is the greater one. So you may use grid method to color the decimal, and in this way you will be able to find out the greater or the smaller value. Hold. Okay, thank you children. Keep on learning. In today's video we have seen equivalent comparison, equivalent decimal and comparison of decimal, and along with that, very important, place value chart of decimal. So thank you.